Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to install. This app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. So guys, if you're also facing this problem and you are unable to install this app, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that simply go back to your home screen and now open settings in your device, and from here scroll it below. Tap on general, tap on software update, and make sure that you are using the updated version of software in your device. So I do this, and after this go back, and from here scroll below and tap on language and region, and from here you have to simply select your region correctly where the app can be used. So guys, select your region correctly, and after this go back, and from here tap on VPN and device management, and make sure that there is no connected VPN in this device. So I do this, and after this scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and from here simply reset your network setting for one time as well. So I do this and check if the problem has been fixed or not, and if you're still facing this problem, then force restart your device for one time. So I simply press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, force restart the device, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.